Y'all, look what just came in the freaking mail. That's pretty cool. Look at this. KBR Racing, Trent, some graphics. Gonna be quite an upgrade from the other graphics. Look at this. We got Trent and it's got KBR. We got all these little stickers I can put on my stuff, like the mini bike or something, but it's gonna be pretty cool, not even gonna lie. Better than that freaking duck cake crap, but yeah. So, it's gonna be pretty cool. Before we get started on the video, there's something I gotta tell y'all, but a few years ago, my channel got hacked. And there's somebody, they didn't delete nothing, they just went in there and left a bunch of crazy comments, like, talking just bad stuff. But I think I deleted most of them, but some of those comments are still up. So, you ever see a comment that's like, freaking, just talking crazy, let me know. But let's get started with the video. Hey y'all, today we'll be testing the cheapest and the dustiest pit bike you can get from Walmart. This thing's about $500 from Walmart. It's a Coleman CT200U, and it's like a freaking lawnmower. It's like they put a lawnmower motor in a freaking motor cycle, but you got like a pull star, and you just freaking pull it. I'm gonna put it on choke. So we're gonna be testing the cheapest mini bike, or pit bike. So we'll be riding it around in the woods, so let's test it. Crap. Got some speed in the woods. Woo! Got some freaking speed in the woods. About 80. Sticks on the train. Oh my lord, I about broke the mini bike. Ooh, a tree. Go. I'm stuck. Alright, see if we can get over this tree. Just kind of maneuver it. There we go. This thing freaking hits your knees on the handlebars. Oh crap! I'm about to eat it, not even tapping it. Let's just go this way. My lord. I might ate it like 100 times. Alright, we tested the $500 Walmart pit bike. It's pretty good. You see me riding around the trail, so now let's get like a top speed run of the Walmart pit bike. Alright y'all, we're back and we're gonna do a top speed run on the mini bike, but I did one yesterday, but the GPS signal wasn't on there, so there wasn't no top speed thing. But hopefully now you should see a speedometer low. So let's go get the top speed. We're going to do the top speed on gravel and grass. It's wide open. Not very fast. Not very fast. So let's get the top speed on gravel. This is the old gravel driveway. A little bit faster. Alright, the $500 pit bike from Walmart. What do I think about it? Honestly, for a pit bike, it's great, but and like even riding around the woods like I was doing, it's pretty great. But if you're gonna jump something like you won't be jumping nothing with that little piece of metal. Ain't no suspension, but honestly, it goes pretty freaking fast. Like, it goes about, we'll have to see on the GoPro video, but it goes like pretty freaking fast. Fast enough for a pit bike, but if you're on a budget and you just need something to get around, this is golden right here, not even capping. Like, you got these racks. It's pretty great. So I'll see y'all later now. This has been the cheapest Walmart pit bike. I'll see y'all in the next video.